Honestly, the sea salt spray, I love. I would probably use a little bit of that before you start to air dry. And again, the sea salt spray adds a little extra body and volume, but I would probably go in with like a microfiber towel. I like to go in right as soon as I'm done, I like to go in with a microfiber, squeeze some of that stuff out, and then even go in with a little bit of gel, like teeny bit of gel, and just like do the praying hands motion, or just like cup it and just like scrunch the ends a little bit, because I find that that really helps me kind of retain that curl. And then honestly, I use the air vents in my car. What? A girl's on the go, okay? And sometimes we don't have time. And for those that have cars, I will like turn the air vent on full blast. I'll close all the other ones and then leave the one on the corner on the far left and dry my left, and then shut that one off and turn the one on the right. And I'm at a light like this, like drying my hair at the same time.